I am asking this interest group in Ukwuani, don't you have a man capable of leading Nigeria or ruling Nigeria as a president? Don't you? Answer me. Answer your people. All your political aspiration just ends on councillorship, chairmanship, commissioner? Good morning on a very wonderful new day. Well, this video I am directing to the interest group in Ukwuani. Notice that word, the interest group, who are very, very vicious in attacking the Unify Igbos Now project, the Unify Igbos Now campaign, which is currently gaining momentum, and we have been receiving a lot of more Ukwuani people, more Ukwuani youths. I'm interested in the youths because they are the future. But this interests group, they are few, very quite few numbers. Yeah, they try to speak for the entire Ukwuani people, which is wrong. You cannot speak for the Ukwuani people. You cannot speak for the entire Ukwuani people. You can say your family are not Igbo, not Ukwuani, are not Igbo. But I thank you, my beautiful Ukwuani youths, who are coming out now, who are speaking up, who are identifying with the Unify Igbos Now campaign, showing support, showing an immeasurable support, showing a lot of courage to say that Ukwuani are one with the rest of Igbo tribes. I thank you. Yeah, you, my brother, because I call you my brother because we are one people. We speak the same thing. We speak the same language. We say, welcome as no. We say, come as Bia. We call God Chukwu Okike, Chineke. We practice the same culture. And above all, we speak one language. So I thank you for having such courage to live above, to grow above that shackles of mental slavery they have been trying to propagate, trying to separate brothers from brothers for their own personal and selfish interest. And that is why I say the interest group in Ukwuani. You have lost your hold on these precious people of Ukwuani, where you have been giving them the wrong messages, trying to separate them from these larger people. But why I come now is to ask you, because it is all politics. This denial are all politics, politically motivated. Since you have been playing this minority politics, what have you gained? Come out and tell your people what you have gained. Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Like the Spanish would say, absoluto nada. You gained nothing. You have only enriched your pockets. You have only enriched your own pockets, which is not even enough to change the life of the entire Ukwuani people. Yes, I say this. This interest group, don't you have, my question today now is, don't you have the interest of producing a Nigerian president? Yes. Produce a Nigerian president. Have a presidential aspirant. As an Ukwuani, Ukwuani is producing a president. And you bring your block and support him and let him win. Don't you have that interest? Does Ukwuani just end on being Ukwuani? Just Ukwuani. That's just what you want. That is just what you are going for. You don't have any interest of ruling Nigeria as an Ukwuani person. I am asking this interest group in Ukwuani, don't you have a man capable of leading Nigeria or ruling Nigeria as a president? Don't you? Answer me. Answer your people. all your political aspiration just ends on councillorship, chairmanship, commissioner, senatorial, regional, something, within your enclave? Don't you have that aspiration, that bigger picture of producing a president that will come from Ukwuani extraction? The Ungwa man is not pursuing an Ungwa president for Nigeria. The Nsukka man is not pursuing an Nsukka president of Nigeria. Talk less of the Mbise man, the Ndoki man, the Otecha man, the Oka man, the Isu man, the Isuama people produce a president for Isuama people for Nigeria. Everybody is working towards a collective effort. Igbo. Because there we are wholesome. There we are powerful. There we are united. Igbo. Igbo presidency that will benefit you. No matter where you are coming from. No matter which tribe of Igbo you are. No matter which dialect that you are speaking. But you are playing that minority politics. Separating Ukwuani to be a minority for your own selfish interest. Hey, minority. We are minority. Man, are you not ashamed? You should be ashamed of yourself. Calling yourself minority in a place that you are majority. And you are subjugating your people by yourself. You are using the future of the entire Ukwuani people to enrich your own pockets. Selfishness. It is a no more. No, the people are uniting. The people are coming back to their roots. Enough of that. We are majority. Ukwuani is a majority. Ikwere is a majority. Oba is a majority. You don't know the game that is being played against you? The German is somewhere there, assimilating every community that does not even speak his own language. The people that are identified as Ejo today does not even speak Ejo. His son. They have assimilated the Abu Adwal. Abu Adwal does not speak Ijo. They have assimilated every person. I thank them for that too. They are doing well for themselves. But no matter what they're doing, they should leave the Igbo people. That is what I'm saying. And that is why we are in this campaign to unify our people. The Ijo man is playing the Ikwere man 10 knots, 10 knots, 20 knots. The Ikwere man does not even understand. He does not even understand what is happening to him. The same thing with Obama. Okay, now the Ijo man have fragmented the Ikwere, saying the Ijo man is claiming that they have 9 local governments in the entire River States. Now, counting Ikwere man have 3 local governments. The Oba does not even have a local government. They share in that Onelga. They share the local government between separating the people. Look at it. The Oba, Ebema, and Ndoni. That is what made up the Onega. The Echie man is there, separating from the Omuma man. Have you seen the confusion? Now they have played you 10-0. That you don't even know what is happening to you. But in one block, what are you? Igbo people. Speaking the same language. The Oba man will always understand the Echie man without any interpretation, without any interpreter. The Ndoni man will come over to Ikwere and understand him perfectly. The same thing goes with the Omuma. The same thing goes with Ebema. All of us, we speak the same thing. We practice the same culture. And when you actually eba Okorosha onye ogba na agba kam na agba na mbiri. Awumu onye Okorosha. Imakwala. Okorosha will dance again. We are coming with that. I am interested in unifying our people along our linguistic and cultural lines. And you cannot stop me. So, the interest group working against the unification of Ndi Igbo, you have failed. This time, this age and time, we are changing the narrative, and there is nothing you can do. There is nothing you can do. So I am calling on well-meaning Ndi Ukwuani. Join this campaign. Let us have more stronger voice. Join this campaign. The Unify Igbos now. Join us. Let us right the wrongs of our fathers. Yes. As we have youths doing wrong today, there are youths who are doing a lot of wrongs. As we have them today, We have old youths then who did wrong. The youths that are doing wrong today will repeat tomorrow. And the wrong they did today, their children will defend it and say, yeah, it is right, because it has been institutionalized in their own family. And they will swear with their life that what their father is telling them while he's lying now is truth. Tomorrow, in the next 20 years, in the next 50 years, you'll see it. And that is why I am calling on every Igbo man. Do right. Live right. Let all you omit, let it be right. Everything that you do in this life, let it be the right thing. Let it be the righteous thing. Thank you and God bless you. I remain your own faithfully Ukwuani, the Unified Igbo's now proponents. And I'm sounding this note. I'm calling on every person who is an Igbo person, who is speaking Igbo, who is practicing the Igbo culture, who is identifying with the Iriji, to answer this clarion call and anchor this movement, this campaign.